Everywhere on YouTube Shorts and TikTok, these AI car unboxing videos are exploding with millions of views. The best part? They can be created in minutes instead of hours. This video shows the complete workflow, from generating unlimited video ideas to creating hundreds of AI videos automatically using Flow AI. Even better, the exact master prompts used in this tutorial are available, so there's no need to build everything from scratch. But here's the biggest mistake most creators make. They generate every video manually. One prompt, one video. Then repeat the same process over and over again. That wastes hours. Instead, the entire workflow can be automated. Before getting started, subscribe for more AI automation tutorials that save hours of work. Let's begin. Open ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, or any AI assistant. Copy the first master prompt. This prompt instantly generates a large list of unique car ideas for viral unboxing videos. Need more ideas? Simply ask for another batch until there's a huge collection ready. Now copy master prompt 2. Paste the entire car list into the prompt and send it in the same conversation. To keep every prompt on a single line, add this instruction. This makes every prompt perfectly formatted for bulk importing into Flow Automator. Within seconds, hundreds of production-ready prompts are generated. Now open Google Flow. To generate videos, the Flow Automator extension will be used. The link is available in the description, or simply comment Flow, and the download link will be sent. Install the Flow Automator extension into the browser. This extension automatically generates all the videos and downloads them for you. No more manual work. After installation, open the extension and switch to video mode. Switch to video mode. Paste the entire prompt list. Open the Settings tab. Choose the AI model, video duration, aspect ratio, and other generation settings. Then press Start. That's it. Flow Automator automatically submits every prompt, generates every video, and downloads each finished result directly to the computer. No repetitive copying, no waiting between generations, no manual downloading, just a fully automated workflow that can produce massive batches of AI videos. Once everything finishes, review the results, keep the best videos, and publish them across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other platforms. All required links, including the master prompts, Flow Automator, and the Discord community, are available below. Subscribe for more AI automation tutorials, and don't forget to join the Discord community for updates, new prompts, and exclusive tools. See you in the next video.